few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Hi, you all. It's me, Maya March, and today I'll be showing you Amazing Beauty Yaki Straight clip ins. First, we want to start off by parting our hair. I'm just going to do a side part today, and from there, we're going to have our leave out. I'm just going to have a little bit in the front, which is like my perimeter for the edges, and then obviously leave a little bit out right before the actual part. Okay, now just showing you everything that we're leaving out. It should be as little amount of hair as possible, and do not forget to leave out just a little bit in the back because you're just going to have a little track that's going to be showing, and you're going to want to blend that. Do not pull out a lot of hair. You only need a little bit to start covering the tracks. So right now I'm just going to braid or twist that up just so I can put it out the way, and then from there I'm going to just add a rubber band because my hair is actually very sleek, so it'll come undone if I don't add it. Next, I am showing you two different options. You can braid the hair or you can twist the hair. It could become a braidless type of clip-ins install that you will want to do if you don't know how to braid. So literally this method is going to be created for anybody to achieve the look. You do not have to know how to braid hair. So if you notice on some of them, I just twist it, and then when it got to the base part, I end up braiding it just because I felt like that was going to help me create a tighter and a smaller braid versus utilizing the twist. But you can twist it all the way down as well. I know it doesn't look all the way neat, but don't worry about that. We're going to grab those braids and we're going to pull them up. From there, I'm going to grab some needle and thread, and this is where I'm going to create a tighter foundation to where it's not super loose, and you can wear this style for more than a few days, even up to a week, just depending on how well your hair lay. So now I'm taking my first clip in, which is usually the largest. So this one probably had about 5 clips on it. I did end up using 2 packs of clip ins, but if you're going to utilize your real hair and just add some length, you'll only need probably 1 pack. Because I didn't want to deal with any of my hair, I utilized a full 2 pack of the clip ins. My favorite thing is to buy a 3-way mirror if you ever feel like, what does the back of my head look like? Or if you need help with like the install in the back of your head just to make sure everything is being covered, I would suggest for you also invest in a 3-way mirror. Also, when you are washing your hair, it does matter. I end up using my Rev Air to help me blow dry because that made the process a little bit faster. And when I was washing my hair, I washed my hair with the Bio Silk shampoo and conditioner. So that one is a really good one, or even Joyco, the Chi. All of these products are really good for like if you're going to straighten your hair. So I would not utilize products that are mainly for natural hair, like your curls or wearing your curls afterwards. I would invest in products that will help with assisting my hair to be straight. So as you can see, we are almost near the top, and once again you can see I'm all the way curving because it's literally not going to show any of the tracks. All you'll have to do is put that last little piece of your real hair over like the smallest track that's going to show, and you'll be done. So now with a little edge control, I am applying that on my edges and I'm brushing that back. If you notice on this particular side, I did not leave any edges out because you're going to use the clip-ins to layer on this side, and no one's going to ever see. So you don't need your edges out. So now if you just look at the clip-ins, the way that I'm placing them in, I am still curving that over to the side. You can see a little track just recently, but the more that you apply the clip-ins, it's just going to cover that. So you'll not be able to see any of the tracks with those clip-ins. So if you notice, I'm always just stacking the clip-ins on top of each other, so placement does matter. And right now I'm going to show you exactly how it looks to where as soon as you take your leave out down, all the tracks are covered. So now we have all our clip-ins in, and I'm just showing you exactly how it looks. So I pulled the hair down and I'm using this wax stick. This wax stick was super good. You can utilize a flat iron, or you can even get your pressing comb out, whichever works for you. But the wax stick worked amazing. And then I did add some bio silk oil, if you can see that. And then you'll just want to take a rat tail comb and comb it down, and then take your flat iron and just take it all the way down. You don't have to pass your hair through too many times. On some of the pieces I did, but the heat is pretty much controlled, so it wasn't extremely hot. And then once again, I flat iron my hair once a year, so this wasn't gonna harm it. So there are a lot of benefits to using clip-in hair extensions. They're super durable. They're made out of 100% virgin human hair, so it can last up to 12 months or even a little longer with proper care. They're invisible, so it looks like your own natural hair. It's super easy to use. It takes only about 10 to 20 minutes just to install these clip-ins. There was no damage to my hair. They don't pull as long as you don't put them in the wrong places or anything, and you get instant volume and length. That's so cool, because I went from what, maybe about a 15-inch to a 22-inch, and you can be very versatile with these clip-ins as well. So I do have a second tutorial. I'll be showing you how I utilize the clip-ins, because I do know like special holidays are coming in, and so you don't want to just always wear your hair straight. Sometimes as women, we're always looking for a variety of styles that we can do with our investment pieces. So for this investment piece, I also will show you how to attempt a updo look. It's so cute, you guys. So stay tuned for that. Be sure to subscribe and be sure to look out for the next video. I absolutely love this method because, like I said, it allows for a minimum leave out. And I don't know about you, but I know you, once you start seeing me straighten my hair, you'll probably say you'll think I apply too much heat. But the thing is, I literally never apply heat on my head. And as you can see right now, I'm just going through my hair and I'm just making sure we get all of that. Well, not my real hair, but the clip-in hair, and we're making sure we get that all straight. If you have relaxed hair, or you naturally straighten your hair a lot, this is going to be so easy for you. If you're like me and you don't wear your natural hair a lot, it's going to still be easy, but products is going to be what matters for us. So towards the end, when I was like curling my hair, I made sure to apply my Kendra hairspray, because you all, that really helped reduce a lot of the frizz that I was experiencing, even after straightening my hair. But you'll see that soon. Right now, I did use my hairspray. It's the Kendra hairspray. I'll link everything in the description box as well. And then we're just gonna take our curlers. No matter what curler, you can even do wine curls. They'll probably be extra cute. And if you notice, I actually did the side part, because if you are a natural girl like me, it's a little bit easier with that side part versus a middle. I just feel like you can kind of get away with like a little bit, like if your hair gets a little frizzy, a little bit more. But also I received 7 clip-ins, so it was a total of 7 clip-ins per pack. You can always transform your look effortlessly with the Yaki Straight clip-ins. They're perfect for any occasion. I absolutely fell in love. Like I said, we're gonna have more than one tutorial featuring these clip-ins. Right now I'm just flat ironing my edges. This is optional, you do not have to, but it just kind of make the look a little bit more sleek. And then I did take my edge control and we're brushing that all the way in. I like to create mine more like a little oval, so just keep going until you get that perfect oval for yourself. And look at how beautiful it turned out. My main key for anybody who is dealing with frizz is going to be hairspray. It's going to be your best friend. Look at this. I'm so ready for any holiday at this point. It literally only took me about 20 minutes to create this whole look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until later, you all. Bye.
I know